Prostrate knotweed prevents the formation of urinary stones, urates. It has a diuretic, anti-inflammatory, hemostatic, moderate antimicrobial effect, increases the contractile activity of the uterus. Indications: uroliphysis as a means of promoting the discharge of small stones. Recommendations for use: about 15 grams 3 tablespoons of herbs are placed in an enamel bowl. Pour 200 ml 1 glass of boiling water. Cover with a lid and insist on a boiling water bath for 15 minutes. Cool at room temperature for 45 minutes. Filter. Squeeze the remaining raw materials. The volume of the resulting infusion is adjusted with boiled water to 200 ml. Take orally 1/2 to 1/3 cup 2 to 3 times a day before meals. It is recommended to shake the infusion before use. Contraindications: increased sensitivity to the drug, increased blood clotting, pregnancy, children's age up to 12 years, the presence of stones larger than 6 mm in the urinary tract, viscosity and history of thrombophlebitis. Side effects: allergic reactions, renal colic, increased blood clotting are possible. Storage conditions: in a dry place, shelf life 3 years.